This tutorial is going to show you what to do with a document that someone shares with you in your Google Drive. So if one of your classmates or teachers shares with you a Google slide or Google document, it's going to appear in your Shared With Me drive. So we're going to click on that. These are all the things that other people have shared with you. Now, you can go to your Shared With Me drive and open them there, but that's a little bit of work. What we want to do is add it to our drive because we also want to make sure that it's in a shared folder that we can share with our teachers. So I'm going to select the Google slide that I want to move into my drive. I'm going to right click on it and then I'm going to select Add Shortcut to Drive. What that's going to do is it's going to take that shared folder and actually add it to my drive. Now I get to select where I want it to go. So I'm going to select it to go to my World History folder. And then I'm going to click Add Shortcut. It's going to prompt me to add that shortcut. It is going to then move into my drive. So if I go to my drive, my World History folder, and there is the same file that you can see with this icon down here is actually in my shared drive, but is now shortcutted to my drive. If I want to move that into my Enlightenment folder, I can do that and click Move. So that document will exist there. It'll technically still be living in my Shared With Me, but I've now created a shortcut to it and placed it in my drive.